chicken Darbari Korma. So for that I have taken 4 leg pieces. You can already have kept the slits also, you can see. Now let's prepare small masala for this. First take curd. In that add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, garam masala, dhania powder, jeera powder, turmeric, ginger garlic paste. Now mix everything. Now marinate this for 1 hour. These are badam which have removed the skin, just crushed them. Exactly. So this is how we want the badam powder. Now keep this aside. Add oil. Add a cinnamon stick, cloves, ilachi, big ilachi, star anise, biryani flower, biryani bay leaf. This is 1 hour marinated chicken. Add into this. Cook on a high flame for 10 minutes. After 5 minutes, now close the lid and cook for another 5 minutes. Fried onions, so crush with the hands and add in this. Prepared badam powder. Cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, add fresh cream. Okay. Off the flame.